The National Youth Service NYS is an entity that helps young people acquire life coping skills to foster their personal and career development.
Romario Wright, a young man who started here a few years ago as a very young and excited and exuberant young man, eager to work and wanting to work and to learn everything he could. He was hungry for growth, which he gained over the years, and coming here he was aspiring to use this as a stepping stone to get to university to pursue his career in hospitality management, and this was the perfect platform for him.
It was through the NYS that Romario was placed at the Milk River Bath Resort and Spa in Clarendon. It's an establishment he never saw himself working at, but later realized had all the facilities to help him attain his career goals.
I was quite surprised because I did not know that here existed at the time. So I should give NYS or the National Youth Service thumbs up for that. I started at the front desk where my roles or function expanded to different or various departments, which includes like restaurant and bar, storeroom, the bath area, and over the time I have developed an interest in this field of hospitality. And it was upon that I decided to myself that I was going to do something other than what I started with.
Since his first placement in 2011, Romario has capitalized on the opportunity and is now a full-time employee at Milk River Bath and Spa, as well as a student at the University of Technology, Jamaica. He remains grounded in his pursuits and accredits his success to the National Youth Service program.
Being involved in the National Youth Service, it has given me an opportunity as well as the second chance to basically go towards my dreams, my aspirations of being or becoming a hotel manager, as well as other careers.
The NYS program is actually a very good program because what it does is it actually provides persons to the workforce that you would maybe you would not usually see or get an opportunity to even interview. And some of these people might be from the neighborhood, but they would not try to get a job here or even apply. However, going through the program now and being placed here puts a totally different outlook on working in the hotel industry. And this provides a platform for them also to go into a larger hotel.
The encouragement that I've got from my co-workers, especially my boss and guests that we tend to have here coming, especially repeated guests, which has encouraged me to move up, elevate myself, and from that time onward, yes, I've been doing that.
Based on his enthusiasm, he can reach high places, and he can be a manager in a big hotel somewhere down the road if he maintains this type of work ethics and attitude towards work. And he's a fast learner. Being here, he has learned to work in all areas. He can be placed in any department at any time to do anything.
If you are unsure of what you want or the career that you want to pursue in the future, I would suggest that you go to the National Youth Service. I see it as opening different avenues, especially exposing you to fields which you haven't experienced before.
If you are interested in kickstarting your career, visit any of the National Youth Service offices across the island.